Hello, I'm Clay Walker with Forestry Suppliers in Jackson, Mississippi. And today I'm here to talk to you about a new product that we've recently introduced and just tell you a little bit about it. This is a food plot exclusion device. And the purpose of this product is primarily just to judge the usage of food plots by wildlife. And as you can see, this food plot was planted back in the fall, and we're kind of in the spring of the year now, so we're getting a lot of spring growth. But you can see the difference in the height of the grass inside the cage versus outside the cage. These devices have typically been homemade, and the purpose of this was just for convenience. It's a fairly low-cost product, and it's made from a deer fence that we sell, and also just round fiberglass T-posts with cable ties on them. These posts can just easily be pushed into the ground actually, but you may have to drive them a little. It just depends on your soil conditions. This one I actually pushed into the ground back last fall. But anyway, we sell them in a pack of 5, and hopefully it helps you get a better idea of how much your food plots are being used. So anyway, it's available at forestry-suppliers.com.